Standard 10.
This is Varnika from Standard 10.
This is Rajadeva from Standard 10.
We are happy and excited to introduce our activities that we have conducted to the Changemakers World Cup. Through missions 1, 2, 3, we have concluded and we have optimized the solutions and problems to solve the problems in 2047.
First of all, I think you are well aware about vitamin D. This is a vitamin from sun. We got the idea from the neighbors who had vitamin D deficiency because of he used to travel to the hospital office in AC cars and stay in his AC room. Now he was taking tablet and he did not know here with deficiency level.
We use scheme as test paper usually to check the dryness of the eye. Then we got an idea that vitamin D deficiency has the dryness of the eye. The value of the schemer's test paper is directly converted into digital value. The vitamin D foods are oily fishes, vegetables and fruits, mushroom are rich in vitamin D. Vitamin deficiency in India prevalent 70 to 100% of the factors like lifestyle, social-religious changes and political measures and additive measures from sun exposure.
There are problems to test in vitamin D deficiency. Currently, we use blood-based testers, which is not convenient and expensive.
Advantage of vitamin D predictor. It is non-emissions, portable and eco-friendly and low cost. While vitamin D cannot be assessed directly using tears. We conduct schemas tests or similar tests to calculate the tear production levels by estimating the vitamin deficiency in India and their symptoms by non-invasive method.
We have used the components Arduino Uno, schemas paper and LED display and glycerin.
This is the world's first non-invasive vitamin D tester, replacing the blood-based tests. This offers people who have low vitamin D deficiency with portable and affordable results.
We have used an Arduino Uno board and LCD display. The main component is the conductivity checker, which is connected to two metal wires on which schemas paper is placed. So her vitamin D level is normal.
She is using vitamin D tablet because she was unexposure to sun, so it shows severe.
Our target customers are software professionals, children, patients and old people.
Approximately 1 billion people are affected with low vitamin D deficiency. Through our project, many of the people will save their lives and take care of your health like never before. It's not just about healthcare. It's about the revolution of the new era of non-invasive vitamin D. And it's not about vitamin D. It's also about the other biomedicals which we are going to monitor in the future. This is not innovation. It's a movement towards futuristic equality and human-centered healthcare. Thank you.